documenting business workflows with BPMN diagrams for process improvement initiatives. This is the international standard for business process modeling. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these business process model and notation diagram files. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering BPMN files with corrupted internal metadata. A BPMN file contains a business process diagram, created using the business process model and notation standard. Users, typically business analysts or process managers, create these files to visually map, analyze, and communicate complex workflows. The primary intent is to open and edit these standardized diagrams for process improvement. The BPMN format is an XML-based standard maintained by the Object Management Group, OMG. Its design specifies a graphical notation for business processes, ensuring that diagrams are unambiguous and can be understood by both business stakeholders and technical developers, facilitating automation and process execution. Camunda defined Camunda Modeler as the application primarily intended for BPMN. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read natively. Windows may display a simple preview, but true interaction requires compatible design tools. We need to identify a functional opener. Right-click the BPMN file and choose Open With. Prioritize Camunda Modeler if it shows up. If it is not there, choose any other application. The right one is out there. If you still can't open the BPMN file, it's okay. If the BPMN file has resisted the previous steps, we need to examine the source. Test the following 3 key failure points to determine the origin of the block. First, opening and BPMN tools. Install BPMN modeling tools like Camunda Modeler, Debugging Modeler, or Lucidchart. Launch the application and use File then Open to load BPMN files. The tool displays the complete process diagram with all elements, connections, and properties, enabling viewing, modification, or execution preparation for workflow automation systems. Next, web-based editing. Use online BPMN editors like Camunda Cloud BPMN.io demo or Draw.io for browser-based editing. Upload BPMN files through the web interface and edit collaboratively with team members. These web-based tools provide accessibility without local software installation, while supporting BPMN 2.0 standard for full compatibility with desktop modeling tools. Finally, workflow automation. Deploy BPMN files to workflow automation platforms like Camunda Platform Activity or Bonita BPM. These platforms execute BPMN processes as live workflow systems, handling task assignments, user interfaces, system integrations, and process monitoring. This approach transforms static process documentation into operational business automation systems. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.